Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a TikTok account in 2 minutes. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to just simply go to Google Play Store or App Store to install the TikTok app if you have not installed yet. So after installing the TikTok app, you guys have to just simply open it. So you guys can create the shortcut methods of creating the account through Facebook or Google account, or you guys can use your phone number or email to sign up. So in this video, I'm clicking on use phone or email. So here you guys have to just simply click the phone number and enter the phone number if you want to create your account through phone number, and if you want to create through email, you guys have to just simply click on it, and here you guys have to just simply add an email address. So after adding the email address, you will be proceed to continue, and TikTok will ask you for password. You guys have to just simply add a password and TikTok account will be created. So I have already my own TikTok account. So if you have created new TikTok account, so you guys have to just simply go to edit profile section. So after going to edit profile section, here you guys have to just simply click on username. So in your new account, you guys can create a new username, or you guys can also change the username of your old account. So in this way, you can create a TikTok account very quickly. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.